Alright folks, so this is my husband, a Floridian, having to shovel snow in New York. He did not think he would have to do this, but guess what? He came ready, he got a shovel, and he is shoveling snow. Wow. Jamaican, did not know he was going to have to do this.
Mom, I'm gonna try to jump out.
We're trying to move this to the other side. You see how these vehicles are moving as they go. So my hubby is shoveling the snow. He's very cold. Christmas. We're spending Christmas in New York. This is what it is. Look at this truck. This truck is stuck here waiting for them to finish clear out the street so he can move as well. This is our Christmas morning. We're having a very snowy Christmas. There he is. There's Mr. Gardner. He got his shovel right there. All the way from Florida, folks. I didn't think we would be experiencing this.